Beginner's guide on how to use Descript for video editing. For example, here is a video that I have created earlier and
So
edited
this is an
using
example
Descript.
video for Descript. In this tutorial, I'll be going over the different features.
Now, if we were to play the original video here,
So this is an example video for Descript. In this tutorial,
you can see that not only is the audio off in that video, but also the background I've changed it also in the edited video. I'll be showing you how to use these features and so much more. And if you're interested in using Descript, I've left a link in the description and the top pinned comment that you can use to sign up for complete free. Now, after tapping on that link, which I do, and then follow along, you will be led to a page just like this. And from here, you have three different options if you are planning to use Descript for work, personal, or educational purposes. You can select whichever one. For this example, I'll be selecting personal. Now, after selecting personal from here, you have different options that you can also choose from. And I'll just be tapping right there. I'll select video content, but you can see that they also offer podcast recording and editing, clips and highlights. So this is perfect if you are planning to create, for example, TikTok or Instagram Reels. And you can also see different options right here. Now, after selecting video, from there you have numerous options that you can choose from. And I would recommend that you start off with the free plan, unless after watching this tutorial you're convinced that you're ready to jump right ahead and go onto a paid plan. But for now, you can continue with the free plan. Once on the free plan, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And from here, you have a few options. You can either choose to enter in a file here to edit, or you could choose to record a video. Since this tutorial is about editing videos, all we'll need to do is simply tap on edit a video. Once you have tapped on edit a video, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose to either record your video using Descript. So for example, you could record your screen and do a tutorial like what I'm doing right here. Or you can choose to upload from your mobile device, or you can choose to upload from your desktop or Mac. So for example sake, I'm going to be uploading a video that I had created earlier, this one. So you'll simply select the video, then you'll tap on open. Once you have done that, you can tap on done. Now you can see that the video has been added right there. Once the video has been added, all we'll need to do now is give it a few seconds while it is transcribing our video. And another feature that I like about Descript is you can transcribe your video in different languages. And you can also use their AI feature. For example, if you would like to auto dub it in different language. And by this I mean that, for example, we're recording a video in English and we would like to transcribe our tutorial, for example, in French. You can do that using Descript. So not only will you be getting the transcription, but you can also auto dub it so your voice matches that. So you can see our text right here. So this is our transcription that has been provided. And from here, we can quickly make any changes if we want. And the first thing that I'll be for you to do is, let's say, for example, you would like to add a B-roll. It's quite easy to do when it comes onto Descript. So for example sake, let's say we were to select this section. This is where I would like to add my B-roll. All you'll need to do is simply use your cursor to select it. Once you have done that, all you'll need to do next, you're going to tap right here beside change layout. You're going to tap on the option that says add a layer. After tapping on add a layer, like this. After tapping on add a layer, from there you have a few options. You can either scroll down and you could choose to use a video. You can choose to add a Jiffy. You can choose whichever one of these options you like to add as your B-roll. So we'll select, for example sake, I'm just going to be select Jiffy. After doing that, you could search for a Jiffy that you would like to add. And it is the same that way you could search for the video that you would like to add. So let's say I were to select this one right here. After selecting it, you can see that it has been added. Now all I would need to do to adjust it, I can select it from the screen right here. After doing that, we're just going to tap right where you see position. just going to tap on Fill Scene Editor. You can see that it has replaced the background, and that's it. That's how you'll be able to add a B-roll. And there are also options in which you could use Jiffy, or for it, better yet, you could use Descript, and you could use their AI feature to create something. If you like to, for example, use the AI to create a B-roll, you can do that by simply going over to the right-hand column. From here, you could select AI tools. After selecting AI tools, from there, if you would like it to create a clip, you can tap on Create Clip. And you can also scroll down and you can see other features that you will be getting access to. So the first one that you like is Edit for Clarity. And this will allow you to remove filler words, digressions, blather, and so much more. So for example, if we were to select it, you can see Edit Intensity. And after doing that, you'll simply tap on Submit. And you can see that it has been done. Also, if you would like to, for example, shorten word gaps, you can do that. If you like to remove background noise and enhance voices, you could do that by selecting Studio Sound. You can also scroll down, and from there, you can see different options. You can remove retakes. You can also add chapters real quick. And a standout feature when it comes onto Descript is their eye contact option. So for example, if you're like me, some of the time when you're recording a video like this that you're showing your face, your eyes tend to drift either to read a script or you're distracted. You could select your eye contact option, and that will allow the Descript AI feature to ensure that you have complete eye contact right throughout the video with camera. You can also use their option to center speaker. So for example, could tap right there and I could tap on center active speaker. After doing that, you can see different options that you can choose from, and you can tap on submit and it will automatically adjust it. Now, another standout feature that I like when it comes onto Descript is the ease in which you can change the background. For example, all you need to do is tap on the video on your timeline. Once you have done that, you'll go over to the right-hand column and select AI Tools. Then you're just going to scroll down and select Green Screen. After selecting Green Screen, you can see that the screen has been removed. Once it has been removed, all you'll need to do now to add the background that you would like to apply. Now, after you have applied the green screen, the next thing you're going to need to do is select Stock from the right-hand column. Then from there, you can choose one of their copyright-free videos or photos to use. And once you have done that, you're just going to adjust the cursor as you want to ensure that the cursor is at the starting of the video. So you want to carry your cursor to the starting of the video right here. Let's add it right there. And all we'll need to do now, we're going to be selecting, let's say for example's sake, we would like to use this video as our background. You'll tap on the video, give it a few seconds while the video is being added, and you can see right there. Then you're just going to select the video from the timeline and right click. After you have right click, what I want you to do next, you're going to select layer order. Then you're going to tap on center back. After you have tapped on center back, you can see that the video background has changed. So for example, if I were to tap on play,
This is an example video for Descript. In this tutorial,
you can see right there that it has been adjusted. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto Descript, if it is a case that you would like to add captions, you can do that by tapping on captions from the right hand column. You can see different captions that you could use. So for example, we could select this option. And also, if it is a case that you wanted to add more audio, so let's say, for example, I would like to add another line of audio right here. For example, let's say like and subscribe. We'll tap on right. We could type in like and subscribe. If you're typing in like and subscribe, you tap on done. And all you'll need to do now, you can see right there that it has been added. Or let's say, for example, you would like to, for example, say it so you want to add your audio. You can select the text. After you have selected the text, you're going to see the option Add Speaker. You can tap on Add Speaker, and you're going to tap on Create New Speaker. After selecting Create New Speaker, you can give the speaker a name. I'm going to call it Test. I will tap on Create Speaker. After you have done that, you're going to tap right here, and you're going to allow microphone access. So you're going to tap on Allow this line. Then you're just going to read the script. I want Descript to create an artificial. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Stop. Then you'll tap on Submit. And you're going to give it a few seconds. They have done that. If we were to tap on Play, you can see right there that it is currently loading up. You'll realize that your voice has now been added. So just give it a few seconds, and you can use your voice to read other scripts in the future, as it will automatically save. While that is being saved, you can see right there, it is being added. While that is being saved, now let's talk about the pricing plan when it comes onto Descript. While you can get started for completely free, as they offer a 7-day free trial period, you can see that their basic plan starts off at $24. And with this basic plan, you'll get 10 media hours, meaning you'll get 10 hours of editing. So videos that you can edit 10 hours of video, 400 AI credits per month, and you'll be able to export in 1080p, watermark free, access their AI feature, and also numerous other AI tools, AI speech with custom voice clones and video regenerate. And you can see that their most popular plan is Creator, which is for $35. And there are the features. You'll get 20 extra media hours and also 400 more AI credits. And if you want to go onto their business plan, it starts off at $65. And again, remember that I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. So you can see it has now loaded up. If we were to play it, you can hear it right there. It is not the best as it's AI generated. And once you're finished, you'll tap on Export in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can choose the resolution. And you can also choose whether you like to get the web link, local export if you like to save it to your device, YouTube, or you have different options. You can save it to Google Drive or so on. Once you have selected the option, you'll tap right here to export or publish, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.